Welcome to part 88 of Learn Languages. Today we're exploring English idioms with body parts. Idioms are phrases where the meaning isn't literal. Let's learn 10 of the most common ones. Cost an arm and a leg. This means something is very expensive. That new laptop cost an arm and a leg. Keep an eye on something. This means to watch it carefully. Could you keep an eye on my bag? Put your foot in it. This means to say something embarrassing by mistake. I really put my foot in it when I mentioned his ex. Get cold feet. This means to become nervous or hesitant about something. She was going to jump but got cold feet at the last second. Bite someone's head off. This means to respond very angrily. I only asked a question. No need to bite my head off. Turn a blind eye. This means to ignore something on purpose. The teacher turned a blind eye to the talking. Have a sweet tooth. This means to love sweet food. I have a terrible sweet tooth. I can't resist chocolate. Be all ears. This means you're ready and eager to listen. Tell me your idea. I'm all ears. Stick your neck out. This means to take a risk for someone. I really stuck my neck out recommending you for that job. Have butterflies in your stomach. This means to feel nervous before something important. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.